Hello everyone. Um, I prepared a short slideshow of my character strengths, and I'm going to explain each one through each slide. So, the three character strengths I chose are appreciation of beauty and excellence, curiosity, and love of learning. So, what this means to me is exactly what you see on the screen right here. I am approving, fascinated, captivated, admired, enthralled, and enraptured by nature whenever I go on a hike outside or go camping with my family, or I visit the beach whenever I'm on vacation. Sometimes I'll collect seashells when I'm at the beach, or I'll take pictures of me in the ocean. But why do I think that why does it matter right here? Because I think it matters when we, stop and just take a look at what's around us, because sometimes we can get caught up in being on our cell phones too often or being on technology, and sometimes we just need to just take a moment to really just admire what God's creation is and just, take it all in, because He prepared all of this for us. And I think I just really I take time to appreciate every day and the fact that I'm alive. Now, curiosity. I chose this quote by Samuel Johnson because this describes my curiosity best. Curiosity is one of the most permanent and certain characteristics of a vigorous intellect. Now, what I think that means is that I'm always wanting to be, understanding and, understanding what I don't know. And I find that if I'm, I find that being curious, even if I don't understand, even if I shouldn't understand, I'm still curious no matter what. And I basically, as you see right here at the very last two words, a vigorous intellect. I think I have an active knowledge, basically, and I never try to stop learning or being curious of what I don't know. I think it's just a part of who I am, and the fact that I'm always, curious. I don't know if you've heard of the phrase "curiosity kills the cat." That basically says a lot about me. So, anyways, next slide. And this one, actually, right here, is my signature strength all in general. I think out of all the signature strength, this one, I prepared, some photos to explain this more in detail. So, at the very far left, you see learning different languages. Right in the very left corner, you can see somebody writing what you see as pinyin. I don't know if you guys even know what pinyin looks like, but there's two different types of Chinese language. There's the modern Chinese, which is pinyin, and then the traditional Chinese, which is found in a lot of historical China back in the Tang Dynasty days. But right here, I am trying to learn pinyin, but the average time it actually takes to learn pinyin in general is it says it could take 3 years. And for me, it took me about a year to just understand how pinyin works. Because the fact that our English language is very different from Chinese, but it's also the same. Well, actually, no. If you use a translator, it'll translate something very different. I've used Google Translate and it doesn't work. But I love learning different languages in general. But and right here I put painting piano because I have a love of learning arts. And I find these piano and painting very calming to me, and I think that learning these really increases my knowledge along with learning different languages and history, marine life, and sports. I find that all of these really just explain my wanting to learn everything every day. Not learn everything, but learn a lot of just if all these categories just explain how I love to learn. Oh, these are just examples. Now, what are positive correlates for all of these 3 character strengths? As you can see on the first slide, there was, let me go back to the first slide. Let me go back. Transcendence, wisdom, for curiosity, and love of learning. Was I surprised by these results? I don't think so, because I basically have, I love knowledge, and the fact that if I couldn't learn everything, if I couldn't learn anything at all, and if I had these taken away from me, I think that I would feel bored all the time. So, now, the signature strength that I use the most, I think is the very last one, the one that I emphasized, love of learning, and how I use it every day. How I use it every day is to increase my knowledge, basically. So, thank you for watching, and I hope all of you have a good semester, but thank you.